Hi guys, it's a beautiful day once again and welcome back to Dexter's World channel. In farming, we have to face realities because there are really things that will sadden our hearts. And I'm talking about the culling of our breeders. It can be applied to the chickens. If you have layer chickens, time will come that you will cull some of your breeders. And I'm talking about the quails because it's been a year now since we have started this quail farming. It's now time to cull some of our breeders because they are not anymore giving us good eggs. What I mean is that they are not anymore religiously laying their eggs. So I have decided, I made a study on this, and if you will continue on giving them food, you will end up losing your business because they will eat food but they will not lay their eggs. So I have decided to cull them. But the problem is how we gonna dispose them in a manner that they can still be useful. Well, it's my experience that whenever I cull quails, I will dress them and cook them and give them to the people in the community. Well, it's not my first time practicing this community engagement. I mean, giving food to the community, because it's been our usual and traditional activity by giving food to people who are in need, especially people on the streets. This is where I started my channel. So today is a very busy day as we are going to cull 100 heads of quails. And please watch this video. Hindi ka nakalito yung kanda. Sa mesa dito. Delicious. So we have just packed 40 pieces of this dinner for the random people on the streets that we're gonna select today. So come on, let's go, and we will distribute this one. Buenas. Ya come ya tú? Ya come ya tú? Dale yo. Comida. Okay ha? Chene yo Juan. Ya kusiyo Quill, takumi to Quill. Bataon rato lang ha. Neng oh. Quill sineng ha. Kaon ka pritong pugo.
Oh.
Ha? Naik ini. Aon tong katong maligatang kong da. Wala na sulod na. Oo, sige. Oh, pugo na kuan katong quail ba? Oo, namin na siya. This man is a beggar. I will wait for him here. Oh. Buddy! Ya come ya tu. Sige lang dito ya. Chicken, fried chicken. Doesn't like. Kain ka ng quail. Yung pugo na prito ko tapos bigay ko sa'yo. Meron pa doon dalawa. Gusto mo? Ha? Ha? Gusto? Tape? Ay, kasama ka pa? Sige. Hey, thank you. Oo, dalawa. Na, okay na. Oh, dua. Ano, magsukol.
Kaya pa, magsukol pa.
So that was an engaging activity, guys, and you have witnessed that there are really people in need, especially those ones who have no permanent home, no permanent job, and they are on the streets waiting for the graciousness of some people. And this is the normal activity that we are actually been engaged into, and we are not just showing this every time on camera, but this time, since we are calling the quail, we are just promoting the usefulness of the matured quails that will not go waste. I mean, if we cull, they can still be useful, especially to the people who are in need. So, thank you guys for being with me with this activity, and shout out to our staff. They are really working hard for this. Mark, Nilboy, and Otto, they're also backing me up with this project. Actually, we spent the whole day for this activity and it was a success, and it's heartbreaking to know that people are really very thankful for the little things they can receive. And if you are new to this channel, may I humbly ask you to please subscribe and hit that notification bell, because we are uploading videos regularly. And shout out to the members of this channel and even to their followers, to our subscribers. Thanks a lot. Only here at Dexter's World!